First, let's outline the problem in a nutshell. And what problem am I talking about? Well, let me draw this for you. You have an Oracle database that's backing one of your line of business applications, and you're running into problems because certain sessions are consuming too many system resources and creating contention. So users are getting hung sessions, applications and batch jobs perhaps aren't completing on time because they're being blocked by longer running sessions that started earlier. The problem here is that the host operating system, regardless of whether it's Linux or Windows or some other Unix system, that doesn't matter, but the problem is the OS itself doesn't have any native ability to characterize Oracle session traffic, and the screenshot you see on this slide is a run of PS, which Linux or Unix administrators know that's your process list. Windows administrators, you're familiar with Task Manager, I'm quite sure. But the point I'm trying to make here is that the operating system can see, so to speak, that Oracle is doing work. There's one or more processes running on the server, consuming CPU, RAM, network, and disk space. But the OS doesn't know which sessions should have a higher priority than other sessions. The OS doesn't have any knowledge or way to differentiate that, so it can't do any capping of CPU resources. You see what I'm saying? Moreover, Oracle being a fairly comprehensive relational database system, you typically have what are called mixed workloads running throughout the day. If you're fortunate enough to have defined periods of work, in other words, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and then between 5 p.m. and 8 a.m. the next day, there's really nobody using the system. That's an excellent thing because, of course, you can schedule longer running jobs to run off hours. Mixed workloads represent all of those different types of session traffic that come into Oracle. All sessions are obviously not created equal. I think you'd agree with me on that one, right? So our question is, how can we prevent certain sessions from consuming too many resources on the server? And the related point is, how can we guarantee particular sessions a certain minimum level of service on the server?